Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Silent Hill F game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and then type in Silent Hill F to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. You can then click on View My Cart and click on Continue to Payment, and now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter the credentials of your chosen payment method, and once your transaction is finalized, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your desired installation directory and start enjoying the game right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Silent Hill F game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.